Hi everyone, my name is Bertha and today I'm going to show you how I did this look. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. So I went ahead and I did my brows off camera, and to do my brows I just used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Defining Pencil, and then I concealed with my Tarte Shape Tape around my brows just to clean up the look a little bit, and this is how they turned out. So to start off my look, I'm going to use my NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in white. But I feel like this one gives a better color payout when I am doing my eyeshadow. Now that I've done my primer, I'm just going to set my primer using some of my Coty Airspun baking powder. I'm going to go ahead and break into my Jaclyn Hill palette. And the color I'm going to be using is Jax right here. And I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush like this one. And this is a Morphe, but it doesn't have any numbers because I just got it in a set. Right, so then I'm just going to go ahead and put that right in the crease and a little bit above the crease too. Alright, so I'm just going to blend this out really, really good. Just take a couple seconds to blend it out. And I'm going to take Jax again, and just this time I'm going to pat it right in the outer corner of my eye. And now I'm going to take the color Chip, and this is kind of a, I wouldn't say it's like a dark brown. I guess it's just like a regular brown. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put it right in the outer corner. Alright, and I'm still using the same fluffy brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend that a little bit and kind of blend it into that red we used earlier, Jax. Now that we have that all blended, I'm going to take this C brush. I'm just going to spray my C brush with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. Now I'm going to go into my Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I'm going to use this panned color, and it's called Funny Girl. So I'm just going to pat that right in the inner corner and right before we put that red. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush, it's a flat fluffy brush, and I'm going to kind of blend these two colors together right here, right where they meet. I'm going to take this, I'm really going to focus on the Funny Girl shade or shimmery shade, and I'm going to kind of drag that out into this darker color so it kind of fades out. If you need to, you can always go back into your palette, kind of grab a little bit but not too much. Make sure you tap off the excess and kind of work it into the darker color. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. After we have that all blended, I'm going to take my Tarte eyeliner pencil. I'm going to tightline my eyes. Now I'm going to take my liquid liner and I'm going to go ahead and do a wing. Now that I have my eyeliner on, I'm going to use my Stila liquid eyeshadow, and this is the Glitter and Glow. And this is in Smoldering Satin. I'm just going to take a little bit of this on a little eyeliner brush. You can see it's really small. And I'm going to take this and line the top of my eye like this. At the end, I kind of blended it out a little bit. That way it blends in with the eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara and then I'm going to put on some falsies. And these are the lashes I'm using today, and they're by Kiss. Now I'm going to use my Professional primer to prime my face. I just have the mini one. I don't have the big one because I'm kind of in between primers right now. Now I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation. Okay, now I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes. And down my nose. And some other places where I kind of feel like need to be concealed. I'm going to go ahead and take my Eco Tools Beauty Blender again and just blend that out. Okay, now I'm going to take my Coty Airspun powder and I'm going to bake right under my eyes. Also, I'm going to just go ahead and bake right under where I would put contour. I can't find my brush that I usually bronze with, so I'm going to go ahead and use this brush that I got from Spirit. It's just a dual-sided brush. You can use any brush that you have, of course. So I'm just going to bronze up a little bit where I would usually contour. And I don't really like to contour personally. I like to bronze instead, just because I'm not that great at contouring, to be completely honest with you, so that's why I don't. I forgot to say that I am using my NYX bronzing powder. Hello. Bronzy Goddess here. I'm going to blend that out a little bit here in just a second. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off this bake. And that was just to set that concealer so it doesn't crease. Okay, I'm going ahead and using this brush that I just wiped my bake off. I'm going to go ahead and blend this out a little bit. That way it's not so harsh. Also kind of drag down a little bit of the product to my cheeks a little bit more. Or whatever this is. Oh my goodness, this is really harsh line right here. Blend that out. Goodbye. We don't want you there. Okay. Alright, and I'm going to use whatever is left on this bronzing brush that I just used and kind of bronze a little bit up here on the temples. Whenever you're bronzing your jawline, make sure that you are dragging down the product and don't use a whole lot. Now I'm going to do blush, and for blush I'm going to use my Becca Cosmetics, which unfortunately I broke and I have yet to fix it, and I keep meaning to. I just broke it the other day, so it's not like I've really had a whole lot of time to fix it. And I'm just gonna put a little blush on my cheeks. See, you can already see how pigmented that is, so I don't want to use a heavy hand. Go at the end of my brush instead of the... Whenever you're trying to do lighter stuff with your brush, use the end of your brush. Go with the end of your brush, so that way you're not using such a heavy hand. Next is highlight, and for highlight I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. Just going to put this on my highlighting points, on my temples, my cheeks, and of course I want a lot of highlight, so down my nose, Cupid's bow, my chinny chin chin. Hello, queen. Ooh, she is glowing. Hello. I love a good glow. So for lipstick today, I'm going to use my Kat Von D liquid lipstick. Yes, I know all the stuff about Kat Von D, but this is a longtime favorite liquid lipstick of mine, and it's in the shade Lolita. Alright, and to set this in place, I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus. Use this fan that I got from a fair to... Hello, queen. Yes, how are you? Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I know this is kind of weird for my first video. I'm still learning, so I'm so glad that you guys watched this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel, because there will be more makeup looks like this in the future, plus probably some videos with my daughter now that I can film and edit and all that good stuff. So please subscribe and stay tuned for all that good
Fabulous. Stuff. Hello. Hi. Who are you, queen?
Can you say hi, baby? She doesn't want to say hi because she's cranky.